Let us see how easily you can turn your garden tools into a professional images. We will use an example. First of all, let us go to the products. In the products, we will select our category as garden tool. In the garden tool, there are many options over here. We just have to select it. In the garden tools, we can able to see garden environment. In the garden environment, we can select it as any of them. Here I am choosing flower garden. You can choose any, and other specifically you can also mention. In the gardening activity, I am choosing it as tool display. You can choose any of them. Garden presentation, here I am choosing it in use action. You can choose multiple here, or you can add some custom garden presentations here. Now, in the gardening passion, you can add anything to enhance the image, like the model must use the product in the image. Now we will add our picture from here. Select our reference image for the AI has been added here. Now you can able to see the options generate garden tools. We will click on it. You can see here the credit will be deducted based on input and output image. Once the image will generate by AI, you can able to see the result here. It might take few minutes to generate the image. Now you can also able to see 2 AI credit has been used to generate the image. Our AI has been generated the image with our tool. You can download the image from here. In this way you can add any gardening tool here to generate the image. You can turn your simple photo into a professional image by using our AI. Thank you.